Now I will bring you look around our factory. First, this is our office. And this is our sales Lizzie. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. This is our account, Xiaohua. Hi. And this is our web designer,
Hi.
小猪. This is our engineer, 老夏. Hi. He always have many new ideas to design the machine. And this is our engineer, 小何. Hi. This is our engineer, 小张. Hello. 笑. This is our worker for packing, 老刘. Hi. I will take you go to see our factory. This is our factory lab. This is our 2E2M machine. 对吧？ These are our ready machines for shipping. As you see, these machines are already shipping to Thailand, Korea, and Indonesia. This is our mixer for carbon machine cutter and controller. All these are our receiving machine. This is our election. He is making the controller. This is our also engineer. He is help assemble the machines. 然后科技室. This is our engineer too. 这样子. As you see, this is our factory. This is our election 小圆. See, these are all our spare parts, ABB inverter. And as you see, we all use Schneider. And see, this is our carbon extruder machine for American customers. These are semi-finished machine. This is not finished. We just assemble now. And here are the machine ready for shipping. This is our melt blown fabric machine, and last year we sell a lot of machines. See, these are going to packing. And now I will bring you to see. Baba, say hello. I will let you see our 2E2M machine. As you see, our machine all use stainless steel and aluminum as a frame. This is a receiving machine. And here, our machine have the rolls, and this is a thick stain as the machine base. This is a mold. This is auto feeder, and this is our controller. This is 2E2M controller. As you see, we all use the Omron and ABB as the inverter. This is our special design. As you see, the blower directly connects to the extruder, and our air heater is inside here. It has a very short distance from the air heater to the mold. As you see, only 50 centimeters. This is our long peak blower. This is Teco motor.